Hi, welcome to 3D Animation Exam. I am Autodesk Maya online class teacher. Today we are going to create an elastic motion for Mercury ball, similar kind of liquid ball structure. Come, let's start. First, do the setting preferences. Under time slider, change the playback speed to play every frame. Save it. Now go to create polygon primitives, platonic solid. Under the inputs, choose octahedron, quads, subdivisions 5, radius 6. Go again to create NURBS primitives, sphere, radius should be more than the polygon sphere, 8.5 it is. Now rename this NURBS sphere as wrapper and the platonic object as wrappy. Select the wrapper, go to display, object display, template, so that you can see the wrappy inside it. Now first select the wrappy, then wrapper, go to rigging module, deform, wrap settings, edit, reset settings, create. Now if I select the wrapper and move, the wrappy also comes along with that. Now select the wrapper, it's already in selection. Go to FX module, end particles, soft body settings, edit reset settings, choose make original soft, switch on non-soft object, non-soft goal, create. You can see the particles, and in the outliner if you open this hierarchy you will see the particle under it. Rewind it and play it, nothing is happening. Particles needs always a force to make it move. Now select the particles, go to fields, turbulence settings, edit reset, create. Now rewind and play it, nothing is happening because turbulence parameters are less. We need more values. Magnitude means strength of the effect, so we can increase it to 60. Attenuation means fading. More the attenuation, lesser the effect, so we need more effect. In that case, put 1.1 as value. Come down, frequency of the elastic motion should be more, so by default it is 1. You can increase it to 50. Now just play it and see. It's fast because of playback speed is play every frame. Now we can change it. Go to settings preferences, time slider, playback speed is 30 frames per second. Now rewind and play it. Yes. So now we have got some bubble, like that is Mercury ball elastic kind of animation. Little more tweaking we have to do. Go to select the wrapper, go to outputs, and the weight threshold should be 1, maximum distance should be 100, and drop off should be 1, and wrap samples should be 100. Same values to the copy of wrapper, drop off 1, wrap samples 100. Now play and see. Okay, rewind. Now I don't need this wrapper, that is wrapper, particles or nucleus, all these things. So what I will do is I will bake the animation. Select the wrappy, go to edit, keys, Take simulation. Switch on this below, all keyable. Control points should be on, shapes should be off, time slider should be on, and the rest of all default values big. Now every control point is movement at every frame is being recorded. So once after this baking simulation is done, we can delete the particles and the turbulence fields, all that. Takes time. Yeah, we can see the keyframes. Now we can delete the wrapper, particles, everything except for this, the main wrapper. Even this transformations we can delete because every vertex is being animated. Break connections. Now you can apply shader. Right click on the object, assign new material, Arnold standard surface shader, increase the metals. Now go to Arnold lights, sky dome light, go to attribute editor, switch off the normalize, camera 0, transmission 0. In the color you can give some image, some scenery image. Now you can go to render. So if you do the sequence render, you can see the animation. Okay guys, you can visit my website 3danimationengineer.com to know more about my online classes and YouTube links of my works. Please subscribe my channel to see more videos on my Maya software. Thanks for being with me.